Hello everyone, my name is Dushyant Singh. In this video, we will demonstrate how we can build our temperature and humidity monitoring system using the ESP8266 module and AWS IoT core service. This is our second part of IoT video series. Previous parts link in the description. We will follow this blog post in this whole video tutorial, link in the description. Please check out. For the Arduino coding part, we will follow this GitHub code. So we need to some hardware and software for doing this workshop or lab. First one is ESP8266 module, DHT11 sensor, 3-pin female to female jack connector, a USB cable, and AWS cloud subscription. So now comes to your AWS console account. Here you need to find the IoT core service, or you can find under the all services. Click there. Go to the all devices, click on things. So click on create a new thing, select a single thing. So basically these two options are for connecting a single thing or multiple thing. In this tutorial we will connect only a single device or single thing. So select single thing option, click next. Give your thing name ESPDHT. You can give any thing name but follow these parameters. Leave all the options defaultly. Shadow option, no shadow. Click next. Select auto generate a new certificate option. Click next. Here you need to create a policy. So click on create a policy. Give your policy name. You can give any policy name but follow these parameters. So oops. So basically these are the policy actions. Here we need to configure the 4 policy actions. First one is connect, publish, receive, and last one is subscribe. So first one is connect. Type the policy resource URI, type ARN /AWS IoT /. Here you need to type the region. So basically you can copy this region from your UI, paste there. Now account ID, you can find your account ID here, copy this and paste there. So here your parameter, that is client. Now your device ID. My device ID was ESPDHT. It depends on your device ID. Basically this predefined URL is fixed. So copy this URL and click on the add new statement. Now select publish, paste there, change these parameters. Copy this, add new, select subscribe and paste there. Topic filter, last one is receive. Now our four policies actions has been set up, so you can also see this configuration in the JSON format by clicking there. So this is your JSON format. So click on create, comes to your previous tab, select your policy, then click on create thing. Here we need to download these 4 certificates. First one is device ID, public key, private key, and CA1 certificate. Click on done. Our cloud part has been done. So now comes to your Arduino coding part. So go to your GitHub code. So basically there are the 2 files. First one is main.ino and second one is secret.h. So we need to create both files. So first one is main.ino. So copy this whole code and paste there. Save this, select your directory, now you can close this, open Notepad, so now copy your secret.h file, copy this and paste there, save this, select your directory, give the file name, now you can close this, again open this main file, so here you can see there are our 2 files. First one is main and second one is secret.h. So now time to set up this secret.h file. First one is Wi-Fi name. My Wi-Fi name is local, so type your Wi-Fi name here. Password, my Wi-Fi password is local123. And thing name, you can easily find your thing name by copy this and paste there, this is your endpoint. So you can easily copy your endpoint. Go to your console setting, and this is your endpoint. Copy this, paste there. So basically these are our 3 certificates. We need to configure these certificates. We already downloaded these certificates from our AWS IoT cloud service. So first one is CA1 certificate. So go to your download folder, open this in any note text editor or notepad, Control A, copy this and paste there. Second one is device ID. I think this is device ID. Control A, Control C, Control V, and this is your private key. This is your private key. Control A, Control C, and Control V. So we have set up our secret.h file. So save this file by Control S. Comes to your main file. So basically we need to install these 4 libraries. First one is ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, Wi-Fi client secure, pub sub library, Arduino JSON, and DHT library. So for installing these library, I already told you how you can install these library in the previous video, link in the description. So please check out this video. So go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Library. This is checking our previous library versions and updations, so we need to some wait. You can install these libraries by search there, ESP8266 by Phi. I already satisfied this installation. So you can install any library, but these libraries must in that library you can easily see there ESP8266 by Phi as well as ESP82 web servers. So it depends on you. So you can easily install these other 4 libraries like that. So click this. So now time to do some change parameters. First one is this. So you can easily replace this by your device ID or thing name. You can copy your device ID from here. So copy this, paste there, again paste there. So basically these are the policy actions we already have configured in the policy creation options. So now once we need to verify this project, go to tools and select your board. My board is Node MCU 1.0. If you unable to see your board, so you just need to configure this URI. Go to the file preferences and this URI. I already mentioned this URI in my blog, so you can copy this and set up in your environment. So click on verify. So there is an error, no such file on or directory. So basically we have a wrong file name. Our project is completely verified. So now time to connect our board. You can easily check your board is connected or not by clicking on the port. You can see there com 3045. So 30444567. Close this and remove your board, and again check go to the tool port. So my port name was 5, I think. Yes, 5. So here you can see after connecting your board. So select this, select your correct board. So click on this upload button. So our booting is starting. So it has been done. Go to the tools, click on serial monitor and press the reset button. You can see first one is trying to connect the Wi-Fi network, that is local, and setting the NTP server to getting the time locations according to the location. So, and the last one is trying to connecting the AWS IoT connections. Fail to the read from DHT server. Basically, our server is sensor is not connected. About the connection of wirings of sensor and module, please check out the blog. So here you can see your current temperature and humidity is 47 and 32. So now go to your AWS console, click on the MQTT test client, So in upcoming videos we will do something amazing and interesting. So please subscribe my channel and like this video for the upcoming IoT machine learning and cloud projects. So thanks for watching this video.